Do you want to know how you can log in to your MBNA mortgage account or your MBNA bank account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One to Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your MBNA account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and in the Google search bar, search for MBNA login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you directly to the login portal of MBNA. You can see your login name and your password. Go ahead and write down your MBNA login name and the password associated with that account. Make sure you have already registered to MBNA to log into your account. So it's quite simple guys, all you need to do is open mbna.com or mbna.ca and click login. It will lead you to this page where you can write down your login name, your password and then click login. This way you can successfully log into your MBNA account. You can hide the password by clicking on this eye icon, and you can also remember yourself the next time you log in. If in case you have forgotten your username or your login name and password, this is the link you want to go through to recover your password or retrieve your account back. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.